Hi everybody, it's Kelly with Pookie and Belle, and today I'm going to show you how to get off all the self-adhesive spray and gunk off your embroidery hoops when you float your design. So if you want to see how I do it the easy way, stick around. Okay everybody, so this is what I do. You've got your embroidery hoops and you've used 505 or some kind of self-adhesive spray to be able to float your design on your stabilizer. So I tried soaking these in hot water. I tried Dawn dish soap, I tried a brush, I tried Q-tips, I tried a toothbrush, I tried all kinds of stuff that I could think of that would maybe just kind of soak and get this off, and nothing worked. So what I did is I went to Walmart and I got this spray bottle of Goo Gone. And I sprayed it just like this, really soaked it. And I just put a paper towel down. I've got this on my desk, which is an epoxy top, so it's not gonna hurt anything. And I just really, really soaked it. And then I just left it here for about 3 minutes for it to just kind of do its thing. So I'll let this sit for a few minutes and then we'll come back and we'll show you how I take it off from here. All right, so I've got all of my hoops here and I've had them all sprayed. This has been on here for probably about 5 minutes now, and you can wear gloves if you want. I'm not worried about it. And I just took an old rag I have for cleaning this kind of stuff up, and I just started rubbing and getting everything off. And you can still use like a toothbrush or something where you want to get around. This hoop's broken, but I just wanted to use it for an example where you have your little notches here to line up your embroidery patterns. You can use just like a toothbrush so you can get down in there a little bit easier. But I just took it. You can see it just rubs right off. And this is literally the only thing that I found that can get this gunk off of here so that your embroidery hoops don't look absolutely disgusting. Now when I'm done with this part and just getting all of the adhesive off and getting it all cleaned up, then I will go soak them in my utility sink in some hot soapy Dawn dish soap type water, and then get all of this oil-based kind of stuff off of them, because I wouldn't want any of this to transfer over onto the garments or things that I might be embroidering. And that's it. So hopefully this will help somebody out, because I know this was a big pain for me on just kind of figuring how to get these clean and get them clean easily. I have seen some things on YouTube where somebody used a steering wheel cover to put around like their big 5x12 hoop, and it just fit all the way around the edge so that when you're spraying it worked really well. I have since switched over to the sticky stabilizer, tearaway stabilizer, in cases where I can use that, so that I don't really have to deal with this anymore, because this was kind of a pain. But yeah, just some Goo Gone spray gel is what I got at Walmart. I want to say it was probably somewhere between $3 and $6. I didn't look at the receipt or anything. I just grabbed it and ran. So that's it. If you have any questions, post them down below, and let me know if you have any quick tips and ideas and stuff on how to get the gunk off of your embroidery hoops. So everybody, that's it for this helpful tip on this Wednesday. If you have any useful ideas or tips, post them down below and I'll be sure to try them out and see if they work for me. Otherwise, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really helps me out, and I can keep bringing you more helpful tips in sewing, embroidery, and HTV ideas and tips. Thanks everybody. Bye.